Hey guys, this is my physics and chemistry study guide that I use to tutor my students, and it's basically my company study guide. I'm preparing it for my own tutors, but then working with Amazing Talker, I'll be using it to make sure that you guys get the best service possible to my currently best knowledge, possible knowledge. So what I'll be doing here is to go through the study guide to show you my entire content. It's not really completely done, but whatever I'm gonna see here is basically what I've done so far, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the ride with me. So let's go. So apparently here is the periodic table where I'll be showing you what you guys need to do in case you are being person introduced to organic chemistry, being introduced to chemistry. And one thing we can see here is that we have the test your salt test your salt option that you will be doing to solve some of your academic problems. And then the next thing here is this quite large number of topics that you can see here. But then at the end of each, you're gonna come across the test results, which are basically, like I said, the question is you're gonna have to be going through at the end of each topic so that you can see what you can do better for yourself and get better results and marks. Yeah, well, what is actually happening with this study guide is that it's suitable for almost every student, whether you're a beginner or you are the university level student. And what I am actually doing here is to make sure that you can get the concepts as quickly as possible, as we are not really explaining the given too much theory. So what you're doing is to just go straight to the problem solving, and going through this, you will be able to learn straight away how to solve the problems in relation to specific topics, and you're gonna leave the rest for real books. But as far as I'm concerned, these are the topics that you guys are gonna be going through if you are using the study guide. Then apparently if you're a student, that's what you will be learning. All you're gonna have to need to do, all you're gonna need to do is to just let me know which topic is puzzling you. And as soon as you get that identified, then we're just gonna work on it and then you're gonna have some fun. Yeah, I'm just going up again. Going up so you can see what this study guide is containing. The hope that you'll be able to identify what topics puzzling you. As soon as you've done that, then I suppose you will be able to tell me what you need me to help you with, and then we're just gonna be able to dive right into it and solve the problems. I do really like solving problems. That's what I do. So just let me know which one you find more interesting, fun, useful. But don't be confused about anything because this study guide is going to get time. Then just a bit of draft. At the moment, it's the draft. But as soon as this draft is ready, then I'll be publishing it so that we can make more money and it's more accurate work. But as of now, it's already ready anyway. Because it will be me who's using it. And it's not ready to be sent out to anyone. We'll be using it at high because I will definitely know what might be wrong, what might be missing. But the bottom line is the content I'm preparing, and I basically prepare for you guys to be able to learn to your best possible knowledge. So far, you can see here it is about 238 pages. Yeah, it's quite a lot, but it's absolutely worth it. If you're a university student, congratulations student, then apparently you're gonna have some material balances here. and some catalysis process, catalytic processes here. And here we have a lot of organic chemistry, we have a lot of electrolytic chemistry, electrocatalytic, no, electrochemistry. And here we have the steel electrochemistry, here we have the thermodynamics, buffer solutions, basically acid and bases, solubility consuming the rest, chemical equilibrium, one of the topics that passes before, the rates of chemical reactions, gas laws. But, what do you have here? Molecular geometry, dipole moments, intermolecular forces, yeah, interatomic intermolecular forces, yeah. Quantitative chemistry, we're going to be doing the more concepts in the rest. And then here, apparently, we have different chemical reactions. Some people just, especially, this is especially important for the beginners, and that's how we're going to do it. And yeah, actually, chapter 2, we are actually teaching you how to write the equation. Some people just don't know how to write the chemical equations, predict the products, and simply write the compound in the correct way. This is what we're doing here. And then that's it. Just a little reminder, this is the study guide, and it's written by me. Basically, it was prepared for my company, but you know what? If it's going to help you, then it should be working for you. Then apparently I'll be using it for you as well, for your own good. Okay, now we are done.